Okay, so now we're in workout weeks 4 through 8, and we're in workout D, which is the higher GI-GL day, right, that you implement into your program. And we're gonna get started on this workout right now. You ready, Alden?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get started. Okay, so our first one's gonna be a Spider-Man push-up. Now, for all of you out there that have the strength for these push-ups and doing the Spider-Man, then go ahead and go for it. If you're a beginner and you're having possibly maybe some difficulties challenging your body to do this, put your knee on the ground, bring the knee up, and then do the actual push-up. Good, just like that. So, again, we're doing these for intermediate style, which is 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest, 3 full rounds, and then don't forget your 4-minute half-point accelerator. Excellent job. Okay, so now 20 seconds rest. Your next exercise will end up being a Superman, or Superwoman in your case, right? All right, for all you ladies out there, this is a Superwoman. For all you men, this is a Superman. With this happening, all you gotta do is basically, the belly will be on the ground, you lift the legs up off the ground, and then hands up, just like that. So then you can come back down if you want, come back down to the ground with your hands in up, yep, and then bring it back up. That. See, now that gives you a little bit of a break, and then back into tension on the muscle. A little bit of a break, and then back into tension on the muscle, right? So, if you can hold this the entire time, that's like, that's way advanced, okay? Way advanced. So, she's showing you now that she's doing exactly that. Upper body top is off the ground, arms are off the ground, legs are off the ground. Superwoman gone wild. 2 seconds, 1, and rest. Nice job. Okay, dumbbell pendulum swings. Okay, choose your dumbbells again. It could be 5, 8 pounds, it's just up to you. Put your hands out by your side. Good. Now, what you're doing here is holding the body down with the dumbbells as handles, and then pendulum swinging your hips with your legs straight and knees locked left to right. Nice. Good. Just like that. Now, we're going for 40 seconds on this exercise. Now, what is this working? This is working your hip flexors. This is working your core. It's working your abdominals, lower abdominals. You feel that, right?
Feel it.
Yeah. 10 seconds. Nice job at home. Okay, now, with your dumbbells, you're using those as leverage to keep yourself nice and locked to the ground and rest. Nice job. All right. Now, we're going into a dumbbell weighted side crunch. So now only you need 1 dumbbell, and we're gonna go into side crunches, left to right, and then bringing it up from a crunch into that position. All right, Alden, let's get it. So left, right, and then back down, right? Now, the tension on the neck as you come back, and then you come up. Try to release the head when you hit the ground a little bit, just to give yourself a second break to release the tension off of the neck. Excellent. Nice. Good. Left, right. Excellent job. So, 10 more seconds on this exercise, and that completes 1 full round out of our 3 circuits. Excellent. 3, 2, and 1, and nice job. Okay, now back up to Spider-Man push-up. Okay, so when you're doing your Spider-Man push-up, if you need to put this knee on the ground to do the push-up, you can do that to assist yourself, right? Lift it up and do the push-up, and it makes it harder. Okay, here we go. Nice. Nice. Good. Now, she does those absolutely perfect, right? Imagine how about Spider-Woman? Spider-Woman or Spider-Man walking up the side of the building. That's exactly what it looks like in the movie and in your workout and in your living room right now while you're getting it done. Excellent job. Excellent job. There we go. There we go. Excellent. So, 7 seconds, almost there. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Nice job. Chalk that up. Boom. Okay, back into Superman, Superwoman. Superman, Superwoman, catch your breath. Okay, you feel this all over in your body? Yeah, everywhere? Where's the most? Stomach muscles? All right, good, here we go. Superman, Superwoman. All right, so now, the stomach muscles are being fully engaged, she's saying. She's feeling it a lot in her abdominal region. Remember now, you can release the legs and release the arms and go back down, and then bring it back up, right? You can go back down, and you can bring it back up, or you can just hold it. There you go. There you go, good. So just picture your belly being on the ground with everything else off the ground, and it's just sitting there like a dolphin, right? There you go. Or Superman, Superwoman. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and rest. Nice job. Okay, now your half-point accelerator needs to be implemented. Get that going, and then we're going right back in, right? That's 6 exercises. We got 6 more to go for this workout. Next up is dumbbell pendulum swings, and we're gonna be coming up, going left to right. And here we go. Nice. Nice, excellent job. So now, when you bring your feet to left to right, you want to try to get your feet to almost touch the ground. There you go, see that? Right? So you're getting full rotations out of those hip flexors and the abdominals. Over halfway there. Nice job. All right, 11 seconds, Alden doing great. We're in kill mode now, big time. 2, 1, and rest. Amazing job, nice job. All right, give me some, boom. What are we on now? Dumbbell, weighted side crunches, right? Okay. Dumbbell weighted side crunches. Not very hard to do this exercise, but it is challenging with using the weight. Okay, so we're left to right, 40 seconds. So coming back, laying the pressure off of the body, getting onto the scapula, which is the top part of your back. And then bringing it back down. Good. There you go. Excellent job, nice job. So 13 seconds left on this exercise. And then we are through 2 full rounds, and we only got 1 more round to go for this workout. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right. Back into Spiderman push-ups. Okay, this is our last round. All right, how you feeling?
Feeling good?
Give me 2 more. And then, right? 3 for good luck. 3 for the Holy Trinity. 3 because you are the woman and the man to get it done. All right, here we go. Spider-Man push-ups. Boom. Boom, nice job. Okay. By the way, she painted her nails today blue for you. Why? Because it's superhero color, right? Superhero is all about what? Captain America, right? It's got to be Captain America, right?
Sure.
All day long, looking like some kind of superhero coming out of the comic books. 17 seconds. Nice job. She makes that look so easy. 10 seconds to go. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, going into Superman, Superwoman. 3 exercises left. Almost done with this workout. 3 exercises left. Almost done with this workout. Okay, how you feeling? How you feeling at home? Are you pumping it up? You're in kill mode. Got to make this happen. All right? You're getting, man, I know you're getting great results by now. And look at this. She just goes right into it, making it happen. Because she knows that we're already being timed here. We got to make sure that we get our full potential out of these workouts. We want you to shred a lot of calories. And we want you to be in the best shape of your life. Nice job, Alden. Good. Half point right now, 20 seconds on this exercise. Okay, after this exercise, you only got 2 more. Raise it up as high as you can. There you go. Now, give it to me even higher. There you go, good, good. Now we're triggering a lot of core muscles. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Nice job. 2 more exercises. Dumbbell pendulum swings. Okay, See this? Boom. Implement that kill mode mentality right now. You make that happen, all right? Get that mindset going, right? Dominate, right? All right, 2 seconds, and let's go. Left and right. Nice. Okay, so get those feet all the way down, almost touch the ground, come back. Excellent job. Push hard at home, you're almost done. You're almost done, okay? Push hard, push hard. Nice job, making it look like it's easy. 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job, nice job. Last exercise of this workout. All right, so we're gonna be doing the dumbbell weighted side crunches, so left to right. Got 10 more seconds on your break. Feeling it in your midsection, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Last exercise, let's go. Left, right, nice. Left, right, nice. Looking good. Okay, 30 seconds left. Almost there. Almost there. Keep pushing. Abs are on fire, stomach's on fire. Getting it done. 20 seconds left. Woo! I'm talking about. Keep that breathing going. Okay, here we go. Last 10 seconds, everybody. Keep pushing. Nice job. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, Alden. Chalk it up. Amazing job out there. Great workout. Way to kill it. Way to make it happen. We'll see you again. Alden, give me one again on the next workout.